Alright guys, good afternoon. My name is Kylie Wilson and I'm going to be doing the holiday tags. I completely forgot to film me doing the very first part because I have just been really busy, which I know is not an excuse, but so I'm going to show you guys how I did it. And so you're going to get your rectangle tool. You're going to draw a 2" by 3.5" rectangle, which I know this is not that size, it's just that's the one I used. And then you're going to draw another one right here. Just kind of freehand it a little bit. Just going to change the shape of this one. Don't like it. I don't like it like that. There we go. I think it's center. Okay. Goodness gracious. I'll bring it down a little bit. Okay, that's right. And then just click this, bring your big square down, and then you're gonna get your selection tool, and you're gonna select the whole thing. You'll go to Window, Pathfinder, click Unite. That will unite it. Then click your hyphen key, and then you can take away these anchors right here. And that's how you got the ankles on your holiday tag. And then you're going to change this to the ellipse tool. You'll click Shift, and that'll just make a perfect circle. I almost said square. I meant to say circle. Just kind of align it, and boom. There is your holiday tag. So now we can get started with the designs. So I chose these lighter colors for the text because I thought they looked kind of resembling a little bit. I mean, there's like light, dark colors, and I just thought, well, you know, the light looks good, so we just kind of went with that one. Shrink this a little bit. Yeah. I'm very I don't really know how to use this program just yet. I'm trying to figure it out, you know, trying to learn everything I can because graphic design is not my strong suit. It's not. I really wanted photography is really what I'm here for, but I'm guessing I'm thinking the graphic design part of this is going to help me, like if I wanted to create, you know, a business card, then I can use the graphic design skills that I learned here to make that work. And then we'll drag our to and from right here. Ah, see, that looks really good. I like that. Now for the second holiday tag. Just kind of pinning this one together with this one because the colors match, and I just thought, oh, you know, it looks really cool. So, and then this one. Now this one's a little weird. This holiday tag is just a little basic. It's not. It's nothing special. You know. It's just kind of there. Just kind of make sure that that's on line and kind of touching it. Ah, see, that looks good. And see, this font actually matches this thingy, this little doohickey. Alright, now for the last one. And I like the colors on this. You know, I was in yearbook for 4 years, so I kind of did stuff like this, but I didn't use Adobe. We used a different program for our yearbook. But yeah, see, I thought these leaves kind of looked like the other leaves right here, so I just thought, hey, why not? Let's add those. Those look cool. To and from right there. And there you have it. Oh, that's cool. Hey, look, they kind of form a diagonal. Okay. Anyway, and that's my holiday tag. So, yay!